This has like some oil stuff on it, but it's not rusty. Actually, the frame, look how black it is. It definitely looks pretty good. The exhaust ain't all ate up, even like this track, the steps. I mean, it does have that fender broke, but looking in the inner fender, I mean, it's not, the springs and stuff, they're not all corroded up. Yeah, it's actually not too bad at all. Let's see if I can clean that camera in. It's not doing too good. But yeah, it's not all corroded up at all. Looks in pretty good shape. Like that where they welded it on and stuff. It's actually, I guess it's bolted, but they welded the block between the frame and the bed. And I mean, that piece ain't all corroded, and it's not even really painted good. But like I say, the latches are there, but the insides are messed up on them. I don't know if all of them work. That one's not. That one works. That one's just missing the bolt, the stud. That latch is bad. That latch looks bad. Anyways, it does need some latches. Other than that, the liftgate worked. Everything seems pretty good.